Hello, learn Oracle Performance Tuning. It is not difficult. Definitely, it is another added skill for your career to boost. Will reduce the time for tuning a particular problem. Your approach will be changed. You might be knowing various concepts, but putting everything in one place definitely it gives a lot of confidence. I would like to explain what exactly we cover as part of Oracle DBA Performance Tuning e-learning course or video tutorial offered by us. This course consists of 27-hour duration recorded videos which are edited and in high definition. We offer PDF material for future reference which can be downloaded. Videos only 1 month view access will be given, and there are a lot of questions in the form of quizzes where after listening to a topic you can test your knowledge, or it will be just like a recap for you, or assess yourself how much you understood the topic. Now coming to the topics, this is Oracle introduction part. Always for everything we have to be strong with our basics, so only little bit of Oracle architecture we are covering which is relevant to understand Oracle performance tuning topics. Not in depth, but the relevant terminology, relevant information which is required for only performance tuning is covered. Next coming, finding top problems. Most of the time it so happens when some problem is given to us, which sequels are causing the problem. There could be so many sequels in a form, report, or web form, or a procedure, package, which are all the top sequels which are contributing performance degradation. So there are few methods which we have explored so that how to find the top problematic sequels. Next section is table management with respect to tuning. Many people think SQL tuning or performance tuning means only problem will be with the SQL, but it is not always true. There are so many factors which we'll be discussing as part of this performance tuning. So one such topic is table. Tables also play an important role with respect to tuning. So that those details are covered as part of table management with respect to tuning. So to name a few, like what is a cache feature, how to use global temporary tables with respect to tuning purpose. So once this topic is over, we are offering a quiz. For every topic you can find like this. It will be fun to do quizzes. Next is table partitioning. For a data warehousing projects, partitioning plays a very important role for tuning. So table partitioning is covered in depth, and even indexes with respect to partitioning is a little bit different from normal tables. Even that information we have covered as part of table partitioning. Next is indexes. Without indexes, tuning is not at all complete. So as part of this, we cover B-tree index, bitmap index, full table scan. There are various types of index scans are there, and reverse key index, function based index. Most of the people they want to know what is cardinality with respect index. All such details we have covered. Next is memory tuning. Everything is perfect, but still some queries might be causing problem. So with respect to Oracle memory, also we can tune sometimes. So what is the importance of memory with respect to performance tuning? That is covered in this memory tuning. Next coming is storage parameter tuning. We all know what is Oracle logical structure, physical structure, all these things. So definitely the storage parameters also play a very important role with respect to tuning. One such thing is table high watermark and table fragmentation issues. If a table is fragmented, however the best way a query is written, however very good indexes are there, hints are there, still because of the table fragmentation, it gives performance degradation. So how it occurs and what are all the possible solutions to handle this issue? Since we are dealing with database, so data loading, everything are part of it. So as part of performance tuning, even data loading is also one task. So how to tune such data loading activities, that is covered. Row chaining and migration, this also plays a very important role with respect to query tuning. Next coming is the core of SQL tuning. First of all, how to write queries efficiently, proactively. So that is discussed as part of this, and how to handle bulk operations with respect to performance tuning. First of all, what are all different statement processing steps, so that you can find out which step in that Oracle statement causing the problem, so that you can concentrate tuning only that particular step in a query. So those things are discussed in detail in Oracle statement processing. So all such things, proactive things are discussed in this. And explain plan. This is the heart of performance tuning, explain plan. As part of this section, we have covered auto trace, how to interpret and explain plan. How to interpret and explain plan in SQL Developer. SQL Developer comes as part of Oracle database. Most of the developers use this, so we have taken this tool. And what are all different terminology in explain plan, like filter predicate, access predicate, all those things are explained in this. We have taken lot of examples of explain plan so that you get comfortable in reading or interpreting explain plan. How to compare two execution plans, and how to tune the code which we cannot edit it. Sometimes it will be proprietary code or whatever it is. In such cases, a performance tuning professional will have very little role to play. In such cases, tune code which cannot be edited. This definitely it helps us. How to pin old execution plan to memory. Many times DBA uses this particular technique as part of the tuning. In explain plan, a table can be accessed in different types, so which is mentioned in the explain plan. There are different scans, like not only full table scan, index scan. There are so many different types of index scan types. All those things are discussed. Similarly, joins. As part of joins, nested loop join, sort merge join, hash join methods. With respect to tuning, in which scenario we have to use which particular type of join, so that your query is tuned as per the user expectations. Which one is better, join or subquery? So those things are discussed here. And what way subquery is different from correlated subquery. All that information is discussed here. And when some of our learners, when they had doubts discussion sessions, we have taken very useful portions and then we kept it as doubts discussion sessions, so that learner can get benefit out of it. We have taken a real-time query and how to tune it, even that we have discussed in this. So that is about explain plan. Then hints also we use as part of SQL tuning. What are all the hints, how to use, what are the precautions you have to take, everything we have taken. We have discussed around 30 plus hints, Oracle hints. Then till now we have been discussing query tuning. How to tune a procedure or a package or a SQL script, that is covered as part of this. Then sorting, sometimes that also causes performance degradation. So how to tune when a sort operation is really causing performance issues. Then Oracle Enterprise Manager, definitely it is a tool which it helps us to address most of the performance issues. So as part of this, we have discussed what is Enterprise Manager and how to use ASH, AWR, ADDM, and what is the difference between ASH versus AWR versus ADDM. All those things we have discussed here. Then coming into in-depth explanation on AWR, we have covered most of the wait events, because AWR report consists of all the wait events. First, we should know what is a wait event. What are all the various wait events which commonly occur? So that is discussed in detail in this, and how to interpret AWR report. Similar to how you interpret explain plan, similarly even we should know how to interpret AWR report when somebody generates and gives it to us. Some scenarios also we have taken, like lock contention issue, soft parts issue. We have taken some core issues and we have explained in an AWR report. Data loads, how to tune the data loads, as part of this we have discussed. What is the difference between SPM outlines and profiles? That is, we have discussed under this. And we also included various SQL tuning scenarios and approaches, because in tuning always we should be ready with more than one possible solution. So all those possible approaches we have discussed. Coming to Oracle 12c, we have covered Oracle 12c tuning related new features we have covered, like invisible indexes, adaptive query optimization, dynamic statistics, and very specific 12c new features. All those things we covered as part of 12c new features. And some of the 18c and 19c performance tuning related features also we have discussed. There are few testimonials from people who have taken training from us. We kept only few. And there are some demo videos, you can click and check it out whether it suits to your need or not, whether video quality, audio quality, content quality, everything. These are so many sample demo videos we have given under this section. If somebody takes training, this particular course, they'll be given this PDF material which is useful for them in future purpose. Thank you.